And our fourth and final proposal is our Entrepreneurship series. The Entrepreneurship series is us giving back to the community. I've provided regular after town hall sessions for the Cardano community on topics of entrepreneurship and governance. And I've asked for funding to help provide these on an even more regular basis and with an even stronger purpose behind them, where you will come to the lessons and they will be lessons that build upon each other over a 6-month period. This is 74,700 ADA and 5.34% of the Catalyst Open Fund. And with that, these 4 proposals together are going to build community resilience and provide our teams the funds that they need to deliver useful tools that are going to drive wider public adoption for Cardano. So please support our small farm with big dreams as we grow with Catalyst. Thank you.